Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Wealth Creator. I am your friend Ramesh. If you are new to my channel, please watch my previous videos and subscribe my channel. So today we discuss about the one of the greatest stock. Generally the people are feels to create the huge amount we need the big money, lakhs of rupees we need, but without lakhs of rupees also, by small amount also we can create the huge amount in the long term. So it is possible only in the long term. So small amount in the long term we can create huge wealth by investing in the quality stocks. Suppose we have to small amount nowadays 25,000, 30,000, 50,000 is not a matter. So with this money also we can create the crores of rupees in the long term. So we need the patience. Without patience we can't create the wealth. It is not possible in the short term. So in the short term stock market is up and down. It is the nature of the stock market. So you need the lots of patience and you have to invest in the quality stock. With a small amount also, every month you have to invest some 2,000, 3,000 also every month. So over the period you can create the huge amount. So I will introduce one of the great company which is belong to paint industry. This is the second largest paint manufacturing company. So it given the great returns to the investor in the long run, already given multi-bagger returns. So before knowing the company, we see the quarterly results, profit and loss. Operating margin in 2009 is 133 crores. It is increasing every year. So it become 1053 crores in 2020, and net profit also increasing year on year, 83 crores, 120 crores, 150 crores, 180 crores. Every year it is increasing. So it is a quality company. So if you see the fast performance of the stock, so stock price CAGR, so in last 1 year it gave the 70%, in last 3 years it gave the 43%, in last 5 years it gave the 34%, in last 10 years it gave the 37% of CAGR. CAGR means compound annually growth rate. So every year from last 10 year onwards, every year it giving the 37% return to the investors. So it is 37%, it is huge amount we can create. So the company name is Berger Paint. It is a paint manufacturing company. It is the second largest paint manufacturing company in the India. So it giving the 37% CAGR return to the investor from last 10 years. So if you see the, suppose if you have the small amount 30,000, if you invest at the rate of 37%, it is giving the returns. So 30,000 in 10 years it will become 6,98,758 rupees in 10 years. If in 15 years, if you invested up to 15 years just 30,000 in this company, So it become 33,72,327 rupees. If you invest 20 years in this company, only 30,000, it become 1,62,75,433 rupees. So by investing just 30,000 in this company, you become earn crores of rupees in the 20 years. So this is the greatest company. You have to invest in this company before you do research and take the advice of your financial consult. Please subscribe my channel and support my channel. Press the bell icon, you will get all my notification. Please press like button also. So happy investing.